RightITnow Event Correlation Manager, or ECM, is an enterprise solution for IT operations. In this video, we're going to see how you can make the most of ECM's alert management features to maximize their visibility and resolve the issues raised in the most effective way. This system has received two very similar events from a couple of sources. They both alert us to the same issue on a server, so ideally we would want these events to resolve to a single alert. Thanks to ECM's categorization rule capabilities, we can streamline the huge number of incoming events to a few manageable alerts. We can discard irrelevant events, assign alerts, and also set the alert severity or priority. Having defined how new alerts are created, we will move on to the correlation rules. Here, we can automate most of the actions taken on the alerts, thus freeing up time for the operators and managers to focus on the highly critical ones. We can add a tag rule for any alerts related to packets to be tagged networking. We can also define a timed condition to set an alert severity to critical should the same alert occur several times in quick succession. We can use rules to define actions on existing alerts related to an incoming one. So, upon receiving an alert stating that an issue has been resolved on a server, we could dismiss any previous alerts which raised the issue. Rules can also be defined to run periodically or when the alerts entity is in maintenance. You can even create correlation rules on the fly through the Alert console. Setting an alert severity is one of many default actions packaged within ECM. But we can also customize new actions and create action groups. There are dozens of custom actions that we can create, such as sending an email containing the alert's details. Now we'll create an action group to email the alert's details and also set the severity to critical. Once these actions and groups are created, they can be used in rules or triggered directly on the Alert console. Defining actionable SLAs demonstrates to your customers that you have the processes in place to act on critical issues. We would like our critical alerts to be acknowledged by a user within 10 minutes of being created. We can also use the SLA rule to automatically assign any such alert to the next available user in a predefined escalation call order, thus giving the operators a chance to acknowledge an alert before the SLA is breached. Yet more options to manage alerts can be found in ECM's alert workflow. We will use these options to manage what happens when users interact with the alerts, such as to disallow closing of the most severe and unassigned alerts. Automatically assign alerts to the logged-in user when creating an incident. And ask for a reason when unacknowledging alerts. We hope that this video has given you an insight into how you can make the most of ECM's rules, actions, and workflow options by condensing incoming events into a focused set of actionable alerts, which reflects the actual status of outstanding issues. If you would like to try out ECM's alert handling functionalities with your own use cases, you can request a RightITnow ECM trial at RightITnow.com.